Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create multiple column layout in container in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to create multiple column layout within container. In previous version of Elementor plugin, we add inner section widget, but in new version of plugin, inner section widget removed. So we are going to create multiple column layout. Now you see plus icon, so click on it and then select flex box and then select structure. Now select two column layout first. Now two column layout added. So each container or column 50% width. Now we are going to duplicate. So click on it. Now we have three column layout, but each column contains 50% width. So we are going to add some background color to differentiate. So we added background color on each column or container. Now you see, click on edit container. Now in layout you see 50% width. Click on another container. Now you see layout 50% width. So you can add width according to your requirement. Now click on main container. So this is our main container, edit container. On left side you see layout, style advanced. In layout you see direction, row horizontal, and then you see wrap. You see two options, no wrap, wrap. Now select wrap. Now you see 50% width. We have three column. So we are going to duplicate again. Click on duplicate. So we added background color. So click on edit container. On left side you see width. Now you see width 50%. Now make it 80. Now you see, click on edit container. Now you see 50. Now make it 20. Now you see this container 50% width, again 50%, again 20%, again 80%. So you can add width according to your requirement. So we are going to create three column more. Now duplicate it again. Now make it 33.33. Again click on duplicate. Again click on duplicate. Now you see, so we are going to change background color. So this is our multiple column layout within container in Elementor WordPress. Now go to mobile layout. So click on it. So this is our mobile layout. Now back to desktop. So we use wrap functionality. So you can create multiple column layouts according to your requirement in Elementor WordPress within container. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.